Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my raw zucchini pasta. Now this recipe is a favourite because it meets all my food philosophies. It is nutritious, delicious, quick and easy. It also suits a wide variety of dietary preferences. Not only is it low carb, but it's also gluten-free, dairy-free, vegetarian, vegan, raw and even paleo. So first we need to make our pasta, but we're not going to be making it the conventional way. We're going to be making pasta from zucchinis. Now to do this, my favorite tool is a spiralizer like this one here. We're going to be using the coarse blade. Now simply attach your zucchini onto the ring, spike it in, and just applying pressure here, we're going to turn it, and then we should end up with some beautiful zucchini noodles at the end. These noodles are one of the best way to increase your family's vegetable intake. Once covered in sauce, you wouldn't even know it was zucchini. These noodles are also super quick, much quicker than cooking pasta on the stove. Try it next time you make a batch of bolognese sauce, carbonara, or creamy mushroom. Our beautiful zucchini noodles are finished here, but what you'll see is it's actually one long strand per zucchini. So we're just gonna chop some of these and it's gonna make it much easier when we serve it. So while a spiralizer is a great way to make zucchini noodles, it is certainly not the only way. A julienne peeler will work wonderfully. That's a peeler with a double blade. Even without a julienne peeler, you can still make wonderful zucchini noodles using your trusty vegetable peeler. Although these are more like pappardelle rather than spaghetti. Our zucchini pasta is made and now we need a pasta sauce. You can use any of your family favorites such as bolognese, creamy mushroom or carbonara, but today I'm going to be making a pesto sauce. So for our pesto sauce, we're going to be making it in the Thermomix. So firstly, we're going to use a handful of basil. I'm using basil today because it's in season, but you could use parsley, coriander, or simply rocket or spinach leaves. I'm then going to be using 1 clove of garlic. Now because this is a raw pasta sauce, a clove is actually going to be very strong. And then also 150 grams of raw almonds. Now you could use cashews or pine nuts at this stage, it's whatever your preference. We'll simply chop all those ingredients for 5 seconds on speed 8. So now this is nicely chopped, we're going to add the remaining ingredients. We've got 100 grams of olive oil. We've also got 40 grams of apple cider vinegar. This is going to give the pesto sauce a kick. You could also use lemon juice. Now our secret ingredient today is a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast flakes. These are going to add a beautiful cheesy flavour without the dairy. And as an added bonus, they are chock full of nutrients, especially B vitamins. Nutritional yeast flakes are also really high in protein, which is fantastic for vegetarians and vegans to include. Our final ingredient is salt. You always want to include salt in a dish, not because you want it to taste salty, but because it will actually bring out the rest of your flavors. So we're going to mix that around for 10 seconds, speed 4. Now our pesto sauce is ready. As you can see, it's looking quite thick. I would say more like a delicious low carb dip at this point. So I'm actually going to add a splash of water and just mix it again because we really want our pesto sauce to beautifully coat our zucchini noodles. Our pasta sauce is ready. I'm simply going to pour it over our noodles. We're going to toss it through our zucchini noodles and the dish is ready. You can see in the bowl we've still got quite a lot of mixture stuck on and underneath our blades. A great Thermomix tip to clean this off is simply put your Thermomix bowl back, turbo speed 1 second. You can see there all the mixtures come off, making it really easy to get it out with my trusty spatula. We're simply mixing it through. If the mixture was a bit stiff and difficult to coat the zucchini noodles, add a little extra olive oil or water at this stage. Our raw zucchini pasta is all plated up and looking beautiful. At this stage you could be creative, add halved cherry tomatoes, ricotta, feta, or even meatballs. But this dish definitely stands out on its own. This is definitely a quick fix, super healthy meal.